overall tour coordinator, si Miss Leia po. Ayan, nandito po siya sa harapan. Good morning po. Say good morning, Miss Leia.
Good morning, Miss Leia.
And together with me, ayan, nandun po siya sa harapan niyo, kumakaway na maganda sa likod ko. And together with us also is our official tour medic. Nandito po siya sa harapan, si Mr. Val. Say hi, Kuya Val.
Hi, Kuya Val.
Ayan po. Good morning na po sa inyong lahat. Alright, so since napakilala ko na po yung mga importanteng tao sa loob ng bus, syempre, it's time for you. Kayo din, ang isa sa pinaka-importanteng tao sa loob ng bus. Kids, students, kindly say good morning to your parents. Sino po ba may kasamang mommy dito? Sino may kasamang kuya? Ayan, meron. Sino may kasamang ate? Meron po ba? Sino may kasamang tita? Ayun. Sino may kasamang lola? Wala. Alright, so say good morning to your chaperones, the person beside you, students. In 3, 2, 1.
Good
And kiss them. Kiss.
Kiss daw,
Kiss. Ayun. Nakikiss pa. Very good, ah. Alright, and say thank you so much po sa pagsama sa amin ngayong araw na ito.
Yes,
Ayun. Alright, syempre po, isa po kayo sa mga importanteng tao na nandito sa loob ng bus. And now, let us discuss all the destinations that we are going to visit. Alam niyo po ba kung saan tayo pupunta? Really? Saan?
Baraswain Church.
Okay, very good. So, Baraswain Church. Next one is?
Lola Corazon.
Okay, sa Lola Corazon. And lastly, we are going
Changemaker.
to Changemaker. So those are the places that we are going to visit today. Alright, so syempre, since meron po may mga pupuntahan po tayo, meron din po tayo mga rules and regulations na susundin here inside the bus and outside the bus. Okay, my first rule is know your bus number. What bus number are we?
Bus 3.
So bus number 3 lang po kayo sasakay at hindi sa ibang bus numbers. Nakakaintindihan po ba?
Opo.
Next one is always listen to the one who speak in front. Siyempre ako po yun, and I will be guiding you for the whole day hanggang sa makabalik po kayo sa school. So you better listen to me sa lahat ng mga instructions na ibibigay ko para mas maging organized yung group number 3. Are we clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Kapag sinabi kong are we clear, you answer me crystal clear. In 3, 2, 1, are we clear?
Crystal clear.
Alright, and next rule is strictly no littering inside the bus. As you notice when you enter the bus, our bus is so clean. Tama po ba?
Opo.
So please do not throw any garbages here inside the bus, under your chair, behind your chair, sa upper luggages po natin. Huwag pong magtapo ng kahit na anong kalat. Okay? And syempre please throw your garbages to your extra plastic bags with your garbage bags. Meron po ba kayong dala?
Opo.
So kung meron po kayo makikita dyan sa harapan nyo na net. Ayan. Diyan nyo po ilalagay yung plastic, yung garbage bags po niyo or plastic bags na dala-dala para i-shoot nyo po dun yung mga basura. And kapag puno na po, buhulin po natin, and then kapag naka-reach na po tayo sa destination, pakitapon po natin yung laman. Okay? So yun lang po kasi ang sabi nga po, cleanliness is next to godliness. Alright, so please maintain the cleanliness of our bus. Next rule po natin is strictly no bus hopping. Alright, so bawal po tayong magpalipat-lipat ng bus without any permission ng ating teacher here inside the bus. Are we clear?
Crystal clear.
Wow, very good. Alright, next rule po natin is strictly no standing while the bus is in motion except me. So bawal po kayong tumayo sa loob ng ating bus habang ito ay umaandar. Nagkakaintindihan po ba?
Opo.
Alright. And outside the bus, we also have our rules and regulations. Number 1 rule po natin is always be intact to our group. So, bawal po tayong lumayo sa group number 3. Alright?